Chances are, if you're reading this, you are looking for some sort of improvement. Maybe you're looking for some breakthrough in your relationship because, for whatever reason, you or your partner has hit an impasse. Maybe you're stuck in a job you hate. Maybe you feel that you are not in the best physical shape you're otherwise capable of achieving. Make no mistake, pain is part of the human experience. There's no such thing as a perfect life. There's no such thing as a life that involves just an unlimited number of rainbows and smiles and lollipops. We live in reality, and believe me, there is always room for improvement. At the very least, most of us are living far below our potential. We know we are capable of so much more. We know that we have the raw ingredients for great success and accomplishment in this life. Still, for whatever reason, often self-inflicted, we fail to live up to our fullest potential. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how the conscious mind works and how limited it is. You will understand why your conscious mind is your most powerful possession. You will learn how your conscious mind can be helped by your subconscious mind. You will learn how to take full ownership of your subconscious mind. You will learn how you can use your subconscious mind to your advantage. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing The Power of the Subconscious Mind, How to Use the Hidden Power of Your Subconscious Mind. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The conscious mind is limited. Just how limited is our conscious mind? The conscious mind is powerful, but self-limited. Your conscious mind needs the help of your subconscious mind. Learn to control your subconscious mind. Just because it's hidden doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Own your subconscious mind. Learn to live in the moment. Compile a subconscious mind profile. Unleash your subconscious mind with these techniques. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually use the hidden power of your subconscious mind. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You're looking for some breakthrough in your relationship. You're stuck in a job you hate. You feel that you are not in the best physical shape you're otherwise capable of achieving. You feel you are living far below your potential. You feel you have the raw ingredients for great success and accomplishment in this life, but want to learn how to use them. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you are going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to use the hidden power of your subconscious mind, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you use the hidden power of your subconscious mind. I'll see you on the inside.